guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany. Thanks so much for tuning in for today's video. It's going to be a product review on the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So if you want to see my talk through as well as tutorial on this product, then just keep watching. Oh, before we get into it though, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any uploads from me in the future. And to make sure and ensure that happens, hit the little bell there at the top. And yeah, let's get into the video. Today's video is going to be a product review of the Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So this is the box that it comes in, and here is the brush, or blow dryer brush. And I have to be honest, at first I did not think that this brush would do as well as it did, but definitely a good investment. So anyway, I'm going to get into the video really quick. I'm going to show you the whole process of how I use the brush. I washed my hair because I'm getting ready to head out of town, so I needed something quick to go ahead and blow dry and get my hair styled and prepped and ready for the week. So I decided to go ahead and film this product review / tutorial for you guys to check it out, to see if maybe this is something that can save you some time as well. So quickly, since my camera is overheating because it's been hot in here as I've been filming, I want to just point out a couple of things that I really like about the brush. Number one is the fact that it has these really, I don't know if you can see, let's see if it, these really flexible brushes, and it also has another row of thicker, I believe this is like boar, they call it boar technology, bristles that's in between there as well. So it really grabs your hair, holds on to it, so you're able to use it and twist it. And see, even with the cord, like you can still twist it. It moves with the brush, which is really, really cool. I love the fact that the shape is an oval shape. So if you wanted to kind of curl your hair and give your hair some volume as you're blow drying your hair, it definitely helps create that volume for sure. And as you'll see in the video how I took it, I was just rolling as I went along. My hair is very long now, so normally it takes a really long time to blow dry if I'm using like a power brush or a regular roller brush. This is an all-in-one right here, and it saves so much time. So if you don't have time to be sitting there spending all day blow drying your hair, getting it styled and ready for the week, then this is a product that I would definitely highly recommend that you give a try. I'm just glad that it's relatively reasonably priced, so it's not that expensive. If you are looking for a styling tool that's going to cut your blow dry style time in half, then this is the product for you. Really love how it doesn't get it like pin straight, like really straight. Like if you wanted to, you can still flat iron. It kind of still gives you a lot of volume. Being that I'm naturally curly, that is huge because a lot of times it takes so much just to get the hair straightened up to even style. So I feel like with this, like because you are pulling and you have tension and you have where you can kind of wrap your hair around the brush itself, it creates that tension to where you can get it straight a lot quicker than you would with a regular paddle brush or a roller brush, as I mentioned before. So definitely give this brush a try. But anyway, before anything else, I want to let you know that I did film a tutorial so you can watch it after this little spill right here. Let me know what your thoughts on it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you'll upload the next time. You'll be notified the next time that I upload a video to the channel. So just keep watching to watch the tutorial.